Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raphael once again and I am the relatable engineer. So today I'm going to be teaching us how to make your borderline and title block in AutoCAD. So I'll be using AutoCAD 2026, however if you're using AutoCAD 2020 or lower versions, the icons and commands remain the same. Not really much has changed, it's just functionality and a bit of system requirements that has changed. So let's get started. So before you do your borderline and title block, you need to have some things pre-selected. For example, you need to have your auto, and this is my auto here. You can see it's auto mode, that's F8. You can turn it on manually or use F8 on your keyboard. It's turned off and I've turned it on now. The next one is snap. I hope you can see it. I think we are good. So the next one is snap. You can turn it on manually by using F3 on your keyboard or just clicking on the icon. So beside your snap you see a drop down arrow. That drop down arrow, make sure endpoints, midpoints, center, node, intersection and extension are all selected. They are going to be very key for this video. So after that we're going to specify our units. For this video we're going to be using millimeters. So we go to the command bar and we type units. It should bring it out, yes. So you can see it's in inches currently, so specify millimeters, and precision, it just means the number of decimal points, number of the amount of numbers that you have after the decimal. So right now it's still 4, but let me just select 2, yes, because it's better to work with. So we're going to be using the rectangle tool. We'll select the rectangle. Then you just go ahead and draw a random rectangle. As you've drawn this rectangle, you not press enter or anything. Now, the dimensions we're going to be using are 297 by 210 millimeters. That's because that's the standard size of A4 paper. That is ISO A4. So this is the width or the breadth, whatever you call it. So I'm going to enter 297 here. This is 297. Instead of pressing enter, I'll press tab. The reason why I'm pressing tab is because selecting tab will enable me to specify the length. So I'm going to type 210. Then I'll type enter. As you can see, I can't see the rest of my rectangle. So what I'm just going to do here is go to the command bar. I'll look for zoom. Then I'm going to click extend. So it's going to take me to the actual size of the rectangle. But I can zoom in further by right clicking. You see zoom. If you're using a touchpad like me, once you left click, you drag up or to the right, it will zoom in. But if you drag to the left or down, just drag up or down, that will zoom in or zoom out. So I'm going to press enter because I'm done. Now the next thing we're going to do is to do our border. Now we already have the outer part, all that's left is the inner part. So for the inner part we're going to be using offset. As you can see, for all my tools I'm just making reference to the command bar because it's quite easy to work with. So this is offset. So it will ask you to specify distance. So for the distance I'm going to be using 10. It's after entering my distance, it will tell you to select which object to offset. So I'm just going to take it to a rectangle right here. As you can see, once I get there, the object is highlighted, that means it's ready for you to offset it. So you just left click and left click again. That's all. So now that we have our border line, you can just right click and press cancel. So now that I'm done with this, I want to move it away. So I'll right click, go to your options and select pan. So pan will allow us to move it anyhow we want. You can move it up, you can move it to the left, you can move it to the right, you can play with it. Just move this out of the way. Then when you are done, you right click and you press exit. So now we're going to be drawing the rectangle for our title block. So select the rectangle. Again, just draw a random rectangle. Don't press enter or anything. Type 100. Then you press tab. Then you type 60. That's 100 by 60 for our title block. Then you press enter. Now I want to zoom in, so I right click, then I zoom in. I can see it again, so let me just bring it here with pan. So we are good. Now I'm going to be dividing my rectangle into 6. So I'm going to be using the line tool. Now for this part, please, I need you to pay attention, because it's not so difficult, but you just need to pay attention. So remember that we selected snap, and in the options we selected intersection, extension and endpoint right there. So I'm going to be making reference to that now. As I've selected the line tool, it will tell me to specify the first point. If I come here and I just toggle it a bit, yes, it will bring out extension. So once it brings out extension like this, you can just go in and type 10, because 60 divided by 10 will give us 6, and we need 6 spaces. So I'll just type enter. As you can see, it has drawn the line for me. So I'll just type 100 and I'll press enter twice. Now for the rest of the lines, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this. I'll right click. Then I'll go to copy selection. Then I'll click on the line again. Then I'll just type 10, enter, 20, enter, 30, enter, 40, enter. Then I press enter again. That's all. I've divided my line. So this space, we are going to be leaving this space. So we are going to select our rectangle tool again. Then from this endpoint, we are going to draw a rectangle. And the dimension for the rectangle is 20 tab by 50. Enter. So we'll select our rectangle tool again. Come to the midpoint of this line. Draw another rectangle. This one is going to be 20 tab by 10. Enter. Another rectangle. Come to the midpoint of this line. This one is going to be another 20 by 10. So that's it. We have our title block now. So we can just zoom out. For me, my mouse, my touchpad, I can zoom it out by just pinching. So I'm just going to pinch, then I'll zoom out. So I'm going to use pan to move this up. So what I'm going to be doing next is that I'm going to be moving this my title block here. So there are two ways to do that. The first thing is that you move your cursor to this space, then you tap on your touchpad, then you drag. Once this green highlights is there, every single thing within this area is going to be selected. So if I press enter, or if I just do that, everything will be selected. But before that, I need to use my move command. So move. Yes, move. Yes, I've selected the object already, and I've specified the endpoint from which I want to move the object. So I'll just drag it. But because my auto is turned on, I don't have degrees of freedom to move it through. So I can just press F8, turn off my auto, then I'll drag it here. Then once this part is highlighted green, I can just drag it to that exact location, then I'll left click. That's all. Then I'll turn on my auto again. So now you have your title block and borderline. So the next thing we're going to do is that I'm going to be zooming in and filling in the details. So there we go. I've zoomed in now and I'm ready to fill in the details. So for the details, I'm going to be using 3 commands. So I'll just go to my command and type text. The 3 commands I'm going to be using are text fit, and text edit. So to fill in the details, to type and do all that, we're going to be using text. So I'll select text here, specify start point. So I'm going to specify it from this part right here, as you can see. Yes, so it's tell you to specify the height of the text. So I'm going to be using 4. Enter. Rotation angle, we're not using any rotation angle. Enter again. So now we can type. I'm going to be typing University of Ibadan, because that's my university. You can also make it bigger as well. If you want to make it bigger, that means you'll be using a larger text height. So I can just do escape. Then I'll select text again. I'll specify my starting point. To specify the height, I can use 5. Enter. There we go. So I'll press enter, then I'll press escape. So now I can just right click, repeat text. Just press enter twice at this point. Name. Bolahan Chukwu Emeka. Now the name has passed the boundary line of our title block. That's intentional. I want to use it for an explanation. So I'll press enter, escape, right click, repeat text. This one is going to be matric. Two 55984. Enter, escape. So now this is where I'm going to be using text fit. Because this thing is too big, I'm going to be using text fit to reduce the size. So text fit. Yes, text fit. So select which text to stretch or shrink. You can use it to make a text bigger or smaller. So it's time to specify the points that you want the text to reach. So I can just specify this place, and there we go. The name has been shrunken down. There we go. So we'll do the same for our matric. Text fits. It's still very big, so There we go. So that's it. We've essentially reduced the size of the name and the matric number using TextFit and TextEdit. If your name is longer than this, you can just keep adjusting until you get the correct size for your names. So I'm going to fill in the rest of our details right now. Text, enter, level 200, level, enter, escape. So I'm going to be using TextEdit. So I'll just double tap here to bring out my cursor, spacebar. There we go. So the next one is for departments. Enter and escape. So there we go. There we go. So that's it. You have your title block now. So I hope that after this video you are able to make your title block and borderline successfully. So thanks for watching. So I'm going to be using this title block and borderline to make the auxiliary views I explained in my last video. I'm going to be doing it in AutoCAD first. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to be continuing in part 2. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you will. It helps the channel a lot, and your support goes a long way. Thank you.